Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to do the Sugar Skull makeup for Halloween for beginners. So I already have half my face with foundation and the other half I just have some white face paint. And I'm going to start off doing my makeup on the side that is going to be glam. I'm starting out doing my contour and I'm just going to powder my cheeks, my temples, and contour my jawline as well. It is very important to remember not to put any of your foundation on the side of your face that you're going to be doing the face paint on, because if the color of your skin mixes with the face paint, it's not going to blend too well. I'm going in with a light glittery eyeshadow and I'm just going to get that all over, and after that I'm going to put a bit of a darker brown just over it. Next, I'm going to use concealer and just cut the crease of my eyelid. Now I'm just adding gold glitter, my fave, and I'm just tapping that on. If you look at my other eyelid that doesn't have any makeup on it, it's extremely red. Not too sure why, I just have naturally red eyelids. Now that I'm done with the glitter, I'm just putting my eyeliner on, and you can go with a much thicker look if you want, or you can go thinner. It all depends on the look you're going for. So now we're going to move on from the glam side and we're going to move on to the skull side. I'm just mixing some of my concealer in with the face paint because I don't want it to just be white. I want it to have a little bit of color to it. Make it look like there was a human there once. And before I blend it in, I'm just going to use my cream pencil and mark around my eye just where I don't want to get too much of the, where I don't want to blend in. Then I'm just quickly going to add some red lipstick to the half of my face that's glam. Now with my black pencil, I'm just going to lightly trace around where I want my skull eye to be, so that when I fill it in with my eyeshadow, it will be perfect. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I kind of have an idea of what route I want to take. So now, because skulls clearly wear eyeshadow, you can use face paint like I'm using for this, or if you don't have face paint, you can use red eyeshadow. You can even use lipstick, whatever you have, just as long as you get that red look. And then I'm just going to blend it in a little bit more after that. For the next step, I'm just going to be creating the skull mouth. So it isn't perfect, and I just want to add a quick note. This was my first time trying this look out. I did it again after, and it was a lot better, but I didn't record it, so maybe I'll make another better video closer to Halloween. We'll see. And you can just kind of use the shadow and go over your lips, kind of just blend it out and then go over it with a black pencil. Now I'm just using my pencil to make those little lines, my little skull teeth, and I'm just going to blend it out. And I actually like the look when it's blended and a little bit messy. Now for the tedious part. So I got these little red gems and I'm just using a little brush and applying lash glue and then sticking the gems to my eyes. So I think this was my favorite part of the entire tutorial. I'm using a stencil and I did like an ombre powder. So I used the red first and then I used black second. You can't really see it because I didn't really do the best job on the ombre because it was super quick, but I plan on doing it much better for Halloween. And then I'm just gonna add lashes because skulls need lashes too. Okay guys, so we have our final look. Now all we have to do is add on the sugar skull crown and the look is complete.